dun 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 dun.
Oh, what, dude?
It's parts day.
You couldn't wait until I got out the bathroom?
No.
What? What are you doing?
I'm just telling you it's parts day.
I'm wiping my... Okay, it's parts day?
It's parts day for me though.
Oh, ooh.
Your car has been in the garage for like a month and I haven't been able to do anything to my car.
Okay.
So it's my turn.
So you can wait till I finish shitting?
No.
What are you doing in your car?
You don't want, I was gonna say, you don't want to guess?
I don't care, cause there's a turd just in my ass right now. So what you doing?
I'm putting headers in my car.
Okay, cool, thank you. But you got your foot? Can I shit?
No.
Can I shit?
No.
Alright, it's Marquis from Pookie Gang. As you can see, there's nothing in this fucking garage. You know why? Because the SS is gone, and that means it's time for me to do stuff to my fucking car.
And my fucking head hurt.
That's the mechanic. He said his head hurt. That ain't because of my car. We ain't doing all
It's
that
because
shit.
of my car.
Yeah, it's because of his car. That's that layover effect and all that shit. But we about to get these last few revs or whatever, and the warm start, because we drove the car over here and all that shit.
I've been driving it for all day.
Yeah, he been putting like 1,000, actually probably like 2,000 or 3,000 miles on my car within the past month, which is ridiculous. But I'm a good friend, so I'll let him drive. But anyway, we're gonna get this cold start, warm start, or whatever, get some revs or whatever, call it a day, because I wanna go back home, my stomach hurt, I gotta take shit, and
Man, you just took one. That has your stomach flared up. Getting the camera fucked up.
Today is the day. It's just me and Mr. Handsome Mechanic Man friend over here. Working on my car, which won't take a fucking month like Bryce's car did. He ain't here right now, he got other shit to do. But hopefully he don't yell at me, cause I'm the one working on my car. So Bryce ain't here to help. And I'm not as tool efficient and car knowledgeable as Bryce, so you know. I don't know, I might save myself and cut out all the parts about me trying to find a tool and all that shit. Now when Bryce get here, he gonna make me look stupid, but y'all already know how that go. So what's first? You said we gotta take the heat shield off.
Heat shield. Drop the exhaust. Well, drop the cats. Then the header.
That's it?
Basically.
Alright, cool. Just making sure the people know. If you ain't got no hand sanitizer, use some good old brake cleaner to get the job done.
But if you got cuts, just go wash your hands.
And say, yeah, just go wash your hands.
I'm about to go wash my hands.
You think hand sanitizer bad? Throw some brake cleaner on some open cuts. So in case I never specified, I got some JBA 1/7/8, 1 7/8 long tube headers. Not no shorties, long tubes. Now I gotta go to a muffler shop and do what exactly?
Just get a straight pipe, that's all.
A straight pipe? Hell no. And before you uninformed car people ask that question, well, you know, they go to, you know, JBA performance, all that stuff. But before you uninformed car people ask that question, get a tune.
That's one.
once again, I will be doing work. You will see me on camera doing work.
In and out of car.
Alright, update. Try to get this shit off up here. We've been down here for what, how long? Like fucking
20 minutes.
20 minutes trying to get this one motherfucking bolt off this motherfucker?
Well, it's cause, well, not just this one, it's the other one too.
Yeah.
It ain't really no room.
It's just a tight fit up in there. We tried to hit it with some PV blast. He said he didn't know if he got it all on
Especially, it's a tight fit, especially since you're doing it on your back.
Alright, so we got that shit off finally. Now, we're trying to get this last bolt off to drop the exhaust. Any additional comments?
Nope. It's almost out.
Yeah, this is a more simpler one than the SS. He was doing a lot at once.
Yeah.
This is a one-part install. All right, so
We're back again.
we got these motherfuckers off. After being under that car for a good
Like 45 minutes.
45 minutes, something like that, we got them off. But yeah, you know, we making good ass progress. It ain't nothing like the SS. Ugh. But as you can see, yeah. Damn, get the lane right. That was all this leading up to the headers. That's gone. I gotta get that shit replaced because I don't have mid pipes with these headers. You can run them without mid pipes, but you know, I don't want to make people deaf, and I got neighbors and shit. But yeah, we got the motherfuckers out. As you can see, there's nothing under here. Once again, I will be doing work. You will see me on camera doing work.
Y'all have seen this. Y'all seen this. Look who's working. Look who working as always.
Marquise was just working.
Nah.
And I'm about to go eat.
Nah.
I'm finna stop.
Ain't nothing changed. Hold on.
Got here.
Ain't nothing changed. Look at this man. Let me brighten up the camera. Look at that man. Eating.
Hell yeah.
Alright. So, with the help of Bryce, we got this very heavy cast. I got the last bolt. I heard that from under there. But we got.
I just got it out. What you talking
Well, I unscrewed one bolt.
That I broke loose.
They were eating.
That I broke loose.
All I know is, with the help of Bryce,
Who took it out?
who got it that loose?
Who took it out?
Thanks to me.
Technically me.
But anywho, this is out. This passenger side manifold is out.
Who got it out?
They have this out. They have these cats out. They did that without me.
We did a lot without you.
I know. And now they're under here. They're upset. Look at them. Two menses working together to get a common task done.
Damn, bro.
So Marquise feels that I only record when I'm doing stuff. So
You do.
so here's Marquise fiddling around with a bolt.
Make this sound so insignificant.
I'm just saying that's we all done fucking around with that bolt.
Oh man, get on there.
Turn the camera on at the right time.
Getting bad, bro.
You got anything to say while you upside down?
This shit takes time, so you better be patient, or you're gonna go to sleep angry, and probably not with your car being done. Cause we trying to make this a one weekend thing.
We try to do this today.
I got other stuff I want to do.
Yeah, drive around.
Exactly. So this is taking a whole lot longer than we planned on.
Yeah, we know it's gonna be a day or two.
It's taking a while to get to certain plot points in this install video.
One header is in, it's just not completely bolted.
Yeah, we're trying to bolt them in, but the bolts go into like real awkward ass locations and all that shit. And it's real hard to get to without bumping into something. I'm already peeling skin off, trying to hold my arm down there to hold the header up or get a bolt in or some shit like that. He moving like the fuse line to get some more wiggle room out there and all that. Bryce here holding the camera,
I'm on the ground.
being a good productive assistant to this build, just like I was for his.
You sure?
Look at him. Look at him. Look at this fat fuck on the ground. Doing nothing.
Damn, you not gonna help?
Look at him. What are you watching?
You not gonna help?
I'm watching me beat you in a race.
Oh yeah, we turning this shit off. Not to be confused with ganja or marijuana.
None of that. I'm
or
a child of the
the
Lord.
weeds. You know, we are faithful followers of the DARE program.
Mm-hmm.
Unless you can give me some codeine. 'Cause I got prescribed that shit one time. That was the best shit ever.
Okay, do you want to tell the story?
So I had to get like 5 teeth pulled in 2020. And like,
Oh, they hit me with that glass shit.
I had to get 5 teeth pulled in 2020. That's a lot of teeth pulls. Obviously, that's gonna be a lot of pain.
Was it any wisdom teeth?
Yeah. So the
I got
doctor,
all 9 pulls.
the doctor prescribed 800 milligram ibuprofens
Oh, yeah.
and codeine.
Uh-huh. Was
Bro.
it the one mixed with codeine?
Nah, they were separate.
Oh, they gave me 600 milligram ibuprofen and then another 300 milligram with codeine
Hey, man, look.
for all 4 wisdom teeth.
I took them before I went to sleep. Bro, I must have decided to beat my meat that one night. When
I tell you, I was in my room, sprawled out, exhausted and relaxation at the same time. I was in that bitch dead.
Oh,
I was in there dead. Cause I had to go. I had to start my job training program or whatever. I had to start my job training program and that.
Update. We got both the heat shields off, thanks to these two kind gentlemen. So what's next?
Stock header.
Oh, yeah, we got to bring the stock header out. So, yeah,
I might do that tonight.
you heard the man.
If not tonight, I'll do it in the morning when you get here.
You heard the man. But we working.
Say I'm looking good, but I'm not.
You got the NASA on, the NASA.
This dirty ass shirt.
I'm just saying, clean. Light hitting you right. Look, give him a smile. Oh, kill him.
All right. While some people are trying to get their degree, ain't nothing wrong with that. We support education. That's why he got the Pookie Gang, merch on, because we smart people.
Smart. This applies statistics class. Ain't it?
And he ain't good at math, so that says a lot. Well, he's moving the cold air intake out the way and probably the coolant too, so he can get access to these bolts to this header, because this shit been a pain in the ass the entire time. So that's the update. We still ain't even torque down these, because these bitches just really hard to reach. But that's all we got. Got anything to say, Mr. Education Man?
Keep them high and tight. That's really good.
Anything from you, Mr. Handsome Mechanic? Mechanic Man, friend.
All right, done. Yes,
Thanks to the help of Mr. Hard Levels.
all I did was hold that shit though.
He helped, and that's what matters. We got the other ugly ass, dirty ass header out.
Skinny header.
Yeah, the weak one. So you know what that means next. That we putting that thing in that bitch.
That car is slut.
You gotta treat her right.
Look at it.
Look at yours.
Long, thick bitch.
This car is
Tall, thick.
this car is like 3 years old.
Tall, thick.
So unless you wanna pull up with Chris Hansen,
Look at it.
I suggest you stop talking about my car in that type of manner.
And then you trying to get it a TBL.
A TVL.
No, a BTL.
What the fuck is that?
Brazilian tire lift.
Stop it.
I'm not tired.
Tire lift. Should be tire lower or some shit.
No, because you trying to get a wider tire. You trying to get that bitch some hips.
Yeah, 'cause I want that bitch to hook.
And then you can start weight reduction. That's a tummy tuck. Because you don't want it to have no stomach.
Stop it.
Come on, boy. Just appreciate the car for what it is.
I do. That be y'all making fun of me for my car. Cause y'all some dicks.
I'm just saying what it is, good.
But
You trying to change something that's already good. It's already beautiful.
so why you put a cam and headers in your car?
My car retarded.
Well, here's an update on my side. They got it in. I'm done with my homework. Tightened up a couple of the final bolts. This side is fully bolted in.
Like the video for education.
And then
We love to see a black man trying to get his degree.
yesterday we got that header in, but we're just putting the bolts in. And we're just having some alignment issues because that side's a lot tighter. You can see it in Cavassier, he's frustrated. But
Arms hurt.
and Marquise's arms hurt,
My back hurt.
blown out. And then
Pause.
what? You was on the floor, you got a blown out back.
All right, so we about to test this out and see what it's working with. Cavassier about to start it up, and we gonna see.
Sounding ass car, boy. 100 horsepower. 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 100 horsepo
mechanic work, hit me up on Instagram, all motor cav.
That's all. CAV, CAV. All motor CAV. One word.
So we are back here at Pershing mufflers and brakes on 39th and Winchester. See, that's way better. That's way better.
Nice.
Damn, man. Damn.
Hopefully you got it for your channel.
Yeah, that was perfect. Thank you.
Damn. It don't sound like a death trap no more.
You guys know where to come.
Pershing muffler and brakes. That's where you come. That's where you come to get your shit done. Pershing mufflers and brakes. This is my second time coming up here. I told you. Come up here. The man does quality work. Tony man, Tony man. Thank you. Thank you.
must have decided to beat my meat that one night. When I tell you, I was in my room, sprawled out, exhausted, relaxation.